Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Malkeet Singh Academy. In today's video guys, I'm going to share with you that how you can convert a Google Sheet into an image. So basically this Google Sheet can be converted into PDF, and then later on we can convert the PDF into an image. But what I'm sharing here today that when you convert a PDF into an image, it will pixelate, so it will get blurred and all that. So I'm going to share with you that how you can convert firstly that Google Sheet into a PDF, and then later on we are going to convert the PDF into 300 DPI image. So I will also sharing that. So let me click on this Sheets application, and I will be sharing with you that how you can convert a Google Sheet into PDF first. So this is my email ID at the top, you can see. So this is a kind of a thing that just came into my mind that I should share with you all, that I have just worked out this scientific name of different plants, you can see. So this is quite a large list here, you can see. So 102 names of different plants. So I want to share that with my students. So but the problem is that I can't share this Google Sheet with them. So what I did, I just converted this Google Sheet into a PDF, and then later on I convert this PDF into a 300 DPI image, so it will not pixelate, so I can easily share on WhatsApp or anywhere I want. So for converting the Google Sheet into PDF is very easy. I already made a complete tutorial about that, how to use Google Sheet and all that on mobile. So just click on this three dotted button here, you can see at the top. So here you will see the share and export option, and the condition for that guys. So for example, I will be using my Google Chrome here. So I will be getting to this point later on in this video. So what I'm sharing here guys, you can see at the top, this is the same email ID through I'm signing in my Google Chrome. So you will not get the option to download the PDF. So same email ID must be from Google Chrome and your Google Sheet here. So I'm going to click here, and again I'm going to click on three dotted button and going to click on share and export. So now here I'm going to click on save as. So I will get a lot of options here like Excel file, PDF document, open document format, web page, CSV. So I'm going to go for PDF. Now guys, I will get the download link for this Excel sheet here, you can see. So this is the PDF. So I'm going to click on download link here, and guys again you will only able to download this PDF if you are signing through Google Chrome from the same email ID. So I'm going to click on download, and this PDF is going to download from my Google Chrome into my mobile internal memory. So here you can see scientific plant scientific names PDF. So here you can see this is the PDF, and it is not going to pixelate. So as you can see, I am zooming in, it is not pixelating. So guys, I have this application Kagaz scanner here, so I can easily convert a PDF into a image. But the problem here in this application is that I am not able to convert the high resolution image. So if I go to this PDF tools, so you can easily find this application in Play Store. So if I click on PDF to image, so I'm going to select this plant scientific names we have just downloaded at 740. So it is going to convert. So I'm going to click on download. So it is going to download. So I'm going to click on home button, and I'm going to go to my file manager. So here if I click on the images, so here you can see guys, it has converted the image, but you can see it is now pixelating, so all the text is not clear. So what I'm sharing with you now guys, you can convert a PDF into 300 DPI image. So it is a very high resolution image. So you have to I don't find any application to convert a PDF into 300 DPI or 100 DPI. So by the way, DPI means dot per inch, so it is a kind of a very high resolution image. So I'm going to go for my Google Chrome, and first of all let me copy this PDF in some folders. So this is, I'm going to move that into my movies folders. So I already have this so this plant scientific here, so that we can upload it easily. Okay guys, so I'm going to go for my Google Chrome, and here you have to search like convert PDF to JPG 300 DPI. So you will get a lot of options to convert your PDF into a high quality JPG image. So I use this convert PDF to JPG online. So you can see convert online. So you have to click here. I will put the website link in the description box. So here you have to choose the file. So I'm going to choose the PDF. So clicking on choose file and clicking on files. So this is our PDF here guys. So now JPG low quality 100 DPI, so good quality or high quality, whatever quality you want. So maybe we can go for high quality and click on convert, and it is going to convert our PDF into JPG, and I have already downloaded, so clicking on download button, and here it is our zip file. So I'm going to click on three dotted button and going to downloads. So this is our latest. Here you can see 1.97. so I'm going to share that in my movies folder, so same folder where I have put my this file here. So just clicking on that, so let me click on not selecting, so clicking on that, extract here. So this is our file here guys, so in this folder. So if I open this, you can see it is not pixelating at all. So I zoom like HD preview here, you can see. Now if I share this file with my friends on WhatsApp, it is not going to pixelate. So this is the power of 300 DPI. So you can easily share this file to WhatsApp, so anyone that you want to share, so you can easily share that. So that is all guys, just a small videos. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I keep posting these kind of videos related to computer and computer science. So I will promise I will post every weekday, so whenever I get time. So thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon guys. Bye bye.